And still on judicial matters, the Federal High Court in Abuja has ordered the federal government to pay over $3 billion to Rivers and Akwa Ibom states as part of the revenue shares from crude oil sales. The amount formed part of the $62 billion said to have been recovered from some oil companies by the federal government. Delivering the judgment on Tuesday, Justice Taiwo held that the notice of intention to defend the case without joining issues with the plaintiffs was an error on the part of government. The court also rejected the claim of the federal government that it cannot pay the money it received from crude oil sales, adding that the defendant ought to have filed a defense to explain its position in the $62 billion oil earnings as required by law. This comes a day after the Federal High Court awarded the sum of 82 billion naira in favor of Ibeno community in Akwa Ibom State against the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation and Mobile Producing Nigeria over oil spillage.
The liquidated amount we are talking about was as a consequence of consent judgments and terms of settlement between the Attorney General of the Federation and the plaintiffs. That is the Rivers State Government and the Akwa Ibom State Government. So it's very clear, it's the money that is owed by the federal government on account of the judgment of the Supreme Court and the consent judgments reached there. That's what you heard today. It's a clear judgment and we are going to enforce it.
Well, we are delighted with the courage demonstrated by the judge. And like we keep mentioning, we believe in the rule of law, and this judgment is a clear demonstration that the federal government will need to do the needful. And we believe that they should pay the money as promptly as possible, as ordered by the court.